Hey guys, today we're going to be rating slimes. Only slimes that I have. Okay, I'm going to go grab them. They're just right over there. And guess what? I literally don't care about the fact that I don't know how to cut this. So you guys are just going to have to sit here and wait. Turn on some music if you want. It's only going to take me about a couple seconds. And I'm going to put them in the bag so that you guys can't see what I'm going to do next. I love this one. I think I might do this one first. Okay, guys. I'm just, forgive me for my voice. I might be a little bit sick, but I don't know. I just have like a cough or something like that. Some of these are made by me, and some of them really aren't branded because I made them sometimes. Some, like one or two of them I made. Yeah. And then all of the containers that I have, some of them are not in the right container, so please forgive me for that. I tried my best to put them in the right one. Oh yeah, I forgot the bag. I forgot the bag. I'll just go grab it. Okay, now that I got the bag, I'm going to put all the ones in except for the one that I want to do first. Am I still recording? I hope I'm still recording. If I'm not still recording, it's fine. I can just restart the video. It's not like I don't remember what I was going to do. Okay, this time is filling. Okay, I did the best I could do for the bag. And then these two slimes are just going to have to sit on my bed. Okay, guys, I'm on my way right now. I'm just climbing. There. Made it! Okay, guys, I'm gonna grab the first slime that I want to do. So this slime I made, this container is from a past slime that I've had. It dried out, so now I have this slime that I made. this slime is like a hybrid texture. It's Bingsu, crunchy, dried up, sticky slime. This is like a new texture that I've never touched before. I would give this like a 1 out of 10 because I hate it, okay? I've got worse slimes here, but let's be grateful for that slime because I kind of like it, but I hate it at the same time. Okay. Next we've got a Peachy Baby slime. I'm just kidding. I made this one too. Although it's in a Peachy Baby's container, I still have made this slime. I gotta be really careful with this one. Now this one's actually a better texture, but it gets beads everywhere. So I'm gonna rate it a 5 out of 10 because I love the texture. It's just that the beads get everywhere. I love the scent, but it's just that I don't really like it. Love the scent that I put in there. It's just that I really hate that the beads get everywhere. It's an amazing texture. Now I've got lots more slimes to show you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one. This is a Peachy Baby slime. It's called Christmas Cookie Dough. Disclaimer, not many of these slimes. I've created just like 2 or 3 of them. This one smells just like, this one smells kind of like my mom's candle. It smells like Christmas cookie dough. It smells awesome. I can't get over the smell. This looks to be cloud slime. Love the texture. 8 out of 10 because there's hair in it. And also it's sticking to the lid. Okay, now to move on to this slime. It's dried out. It's Peachy Baby's candy cane laid. 0 out of 10 because it's dried out and it's unfixable. Now my last Peachy Baby slime for the day. Oh wait, no, I made this. It's just in a Peachy Baby's container. It's a like putty slime. It does not have the best stretch. Again with the beads. Well, there's not really that many. It's just that the texture doesn't really stick to the beads too well. It has Bingsu beads in it. But I'm gonna give this like 7 out of 10 because I love it. And I hate it at the same time. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna stop being cringe now. Okay, guys. I'm gonna start with this, my first dope slime of the day. Cotton Candy Fest. Cotton Candy Frost. Cotton Candy Fest. It's a cloud slime. It feels amazing. It smells horrible, but that's okay. I would just recommend dope slime. If you're watching this, please get better scents. The slime is amazing that dope slime makes, but dope slime just doesn't have the perfect scents. I love their slimes so much. I have like a gazillion of them, but then this would be an hour-long video, so I don't want to make that. So, yeah, that was the cloud one. 10 out of, no, not a 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10 because I like it. I just don't love the scent. So that's -1 point. Now we've got another cloud slime. This one is Strawberry Cow. It's another cloud slime, I believe. Oh, I ruined my perfect top. It's fine, I can fix that. Guys, look what I've done. There's a strawberry and a cow, and I know that it doesn't show up on camera, but this is a white slime, and it is cloudy. I actually kind of like this scent, but I just recommend a better scent. Again, dope slime, better scents. It's just a recommendation. I'm not saying dope slime has to make better scents. I'm just recommending try to get better scents. Like go to Peachy Babies or something. They've got amazing scents there. I know because I've sent something in, but I don't think they ever got it. I think it just arrived at a random person's store. And I'm like, and the worst part is I put little gifts for, and I even put, "Dear Peachy Babies, can you please fix my slime on camera?" It's crazy that I might have just not seen the video, but yeah, this kind of feels like a wet baby diaper, but I'm gonna rate it. I'm gonna rate this slime 10 out of 10 because I love it. And this is an acceptable scent, unlike the last one. Okay, now I've got 2 slimes left. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch the bird, so if you always let them go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Okay, so next we're doing Lychee Taro Boba. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I can show it to you guys if any of you guys know how to read this. That says boba right there. Okay. I'm gonna actually stop yapping and get to the slime. Now, I kind of dried out this slime a little bit, but it's because it was sticking to my hands and I had to leave that out just to fix it a little. It's got an amazing stretch. And actually, I'm kind of weird for liking this scent. Wait, what's it even scented like? It's scented taro lychee. I think I'm gonna try to get some taro lychee soon. And then the last slime of our day. It's another dope slime. It's Ducky Puffy. It's a butter slime, and it's scented blue raz. And this is my favorite. Like, oh my god, there's something in my favorite slime. What is that? An eraser. There's an eraser in my favorite slime. But this is another slime. Actually, I'm going to get to that one before we check out Ducky Puffy. So I actually have a Knead eraser. If for anybody who doesn't know what these are, it's something at the Davenport Scholastic Book Fair, and they've always got these like little Knead eraser thingies. They actually erase kind of well, and they kind of stretch. They come with containers, but I lost it, so, and also this isn't really the best. It smells like it smells like bath. It smells like soap. So I'm gonna have to say 2 out of 10. I don't like this one. Now back to Ducky Puffy, which was so rudely interrupted. It's an amazing slime. 10 out of 10. I'm speechless. Okay. Bye, guys.